Hi friends, today I am going to show you the work of blanket for the toddler of 2-year baby boy. I did this for an order. Hardly I took 1 month for doing this with the help of my friend Udaya. Without her help, I can't able to do this early. You may think why I took of 1 month for this little blanket. Yeah, I know you may think, and you sure think that is nothing wrong in that. I am going to show the surprise. For this blanket, I took 1 month for making. I already told you I made this for a little boy of 2 years, and this is going to Rajasthan. In first block, I made a crown of prince, and second, monkey, third, dog, and fourth, butterfly. In second line, I made pigeon. I think it looks like pigeon, lion, elephant, and owl. In third row, and this is the final row, fish, bear, pig, and finally I ended with turtle. For this blanket, I took 4 colors: blue, cream color, green, and finally pink. First I made individual colors blocking 25 into 25. After that cream color as 10 into 25. Later I stitched the applique works of animals, birds, and sea animals. Later I joined the 4 colors of blocks. After that I stitched the all applique works and finished the blankets. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Like my video. Subscribe for more videos.